Spiritual warfare prayer. Psalm 32, you are my hiding place. Blessed is he whose transgression is forgiven, whose sin is covered. Blessed is the man to whom YAHUAH does not impute iniquity, and in whose spirit there is no deceit. When I kept silent, my bones grew old from my groaning all the day long. For day and night your hand was heavy upon me. My vitality was turned into the drought of summer. Selah. I acknowledge my sin to you, and my iniquity I have not hidden. I said, I will confess my transgressions to YAHUAH, and you forgave the iniquity of my sin. O YAHUAH, I come out of hiding and into your light. I lay bare every offense, secret, weakness, and failing. Let no foothold remain for the accuser of my soul. Cleanse me by the blood of Yahshua. Renew a right spirit within me. Remove the weight of guilt, the heaviness of shame, and silence the voice of condemnation. I take refuge not in excuses, but in your mercy. For you are my hiding place. You preserve me from trouble. You surround me with songs of deliverance. Selah. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go. I will guide you with my eye. Do not be like the horse or like the mule, which have no understanding, which must be harnessed with bit and bridle, else they will not come near you. Many sorrows shall be to the wicked, but he who trusts in YAHUAH, O YAHUAH, mercy shall surround him. O YAHUAH, surround me with mercy in the midst of battle. I will not run from conviction. Too, I will run to you. You are my hiding place, my shield, my deliverer. Let no weapon of guilt, shame, or past failure prosper against me. Let no demonic stronghold find an open door. Seal me in righteousness. Sing over me songs of deliverance. Guide me in victory. I rejoice in you and shout for joy, for I am upright in heart, restored, forgiven, and secure. In the name of Yahshua HaMashiach, the Lamb who takes away the sin of the world. Amen.